Your knees make your movements easy. They help you walk, bend, climb, sit and bear weight. Knee pain forces you to withdraw from your favorite routine and makes it difficult to perform day-to-day activities. Kneepulse from Companio gives you relief from knee pain naturally without side effects. Kneepulse is powered with scientifically proven, smart, TENS technology which passes therapeutic impulses to block the pain signals and release pain-killing hormones. The Kneepulse belt is made up of ultralight neoprene fabric. Neoprene fabric is completely safe to wear on external skin. Conductive rubber pads are stitched with the fabric itself to make the therapy more efficient. Kneepulse is easy to operate. Charge the belt, lay it and apply electrode gel on the conductive rubber and wear it on your knee. Press the on button. Adjust the intensity as per your comfort level with the intensity adjustment buttons. You will start receiving electrical impulses from the belt's conductive rubbers and feel pain relief. Only 15 minutes of Kneepulse therapy gives you long-time relief from knee pain. Move freely and perform your favorite activities which bring you joy. Order your Kneepulse now.